For those currently working as data analysts, what do you wish you had known before starting? Hi everyone, I'm currently studying to become a data analyst, but I don't have a computer science background. I'm learning Excel, SQL, and Power BI, and plan to start with Python soon. For those of you already working as data analysts, what skills ended up being the most valuable in your day-to-day work? Were there any areas you wish you had focused on earlier? Any advice for someone entering this field without a tech background? I'd really appreciate hearing your real-world insights so I can learn from your experiences. Thanks in advance. Communication skills. The ability to explain and present data will be dependent on your audience. You may get more in the weeds and details with peers' boss, but may have to dumb it down for other people in your company who don't understand the nuances of your data. Stakeholders will straight away question the accuracy of the data if they don't like the results. That people don't get it and don't understand why you exist when they feel it's a badge of honor to sift through the data manually and make BS in Excel. Your talent is important. But what really matters is how you talk to people and keep smiling, even when you feel like throwing a brick at them. Presentation and communication skills. As analysts, we tend to focus a lot of time up front explaining what we did and why, but most of the time your audience only really cares about the so what. Looking back, I really kneecapped my growth by communicating to business stakeholders incorrectly. Essentially, you need to flip your internal script. Instead of spending the first 80% of your time explaining what you did and the last 20% explaining the conclusion, plan to spend the first 80% of your time explaining the conclusion, its implication, and answering challenges, objections, and the last 20% talking about your analysis if they want to hear about it. Also, think about how your audiences will interpret your visuals. Too many good conclusions get lost in overly dense graphs and charts. Each visual should communicate one idea, and it should be obvious what it is from looking at it quickly. You probably won't be a good judge of what's obvious at first, so get a second opinion whenever possible. SQL fluency and data cleaning will eat most of your time. Get fast at joining, filtering, and reshaping messy data sets. Learn to tell a story with visuals, so your insights land with non-technical people. The job is communication, not code. Also, build a habit of documenting your work clearly. Future you and your teammates will thank you when you revisit a project months later. The No Fluff Wisdom newsletter has some sharp takes on leveling up analyst skills fast without getting lost in tech rabbit holes worth a peek.